During the warmer summer months, it can be nice to have some sweet tea in the fridge. This is a simple tutorial to show you how to make a big batch of cold brew mate. The first ingredient is organic, fair trade mate. Second ingredient is going to be some limes, organic, raw, local honey, and fresh mint from the garden. We typically just eye the measurements for all the ingredients, so you should adjust it to whatever fits your taste the best. The first thing you want to do is separate all the mint leaves from the stems. Pour your mate into the blender with all of the other mint. Squeeze your limes over a steel strainer so the seeds don't get into the blender. Next, fill your blender with fresh living spring water. The next step is to blend all the ingredients we've added so far. Now we're going to put all of these ingredients we've combined in the fridge to steep overnight. Now that our cold brew concentrate has steeped overnight, we're going to pour it into the blender and filter out all of the tea and mint leaves. Now we're going to add some chilled spring water to the blender. Next, add some honey for taste, and then we're gonna mix it up in the blender again. The last step is to pour into your favorite bottle or pitcher and enjoy with your friends and loved ones.